Hello dear friends, welcome back to a very important and informative video. Do you know nowadays it's compulsory to turn on the two-step verification on your email account? If you don't do this, your account may be terminated or it becomes so vulnerable to hackers. So this is the prime and basic way to make your email account protected by turning on the two-step verification. And now I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process to do it. Let's go. First of all, open your Gmail app. Now at the top right corner, click on your email profile. Now click on Google account. Now you see some sections here: home, personal information, data and privacy. Just scroll left a little bit. Now here is the security option. Just click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. You'll see here two-step verification. Okay, just click on it. First of all, you will see this option to add a phone number on your email account. Again, scroll down a little bit. Now here is the option to turn on your two-step verification. Just click on it. Enter your phone number and click on next. And as soon as you click on next, you will get a verification code number. Now I'm entering my phone number here. After entering your phone number, click on next. Just copy that code and paste here. Like this. And now just click on verify. As soon as you click on verify, your two-step verification will be turned on. And now you see this pop-up notifications. You are now protected with two-step verification. That's it. So this is how you can turn on two-step verification on your email account. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.